In this video, I want to be sharing with you 2 routes that can help you relocate to Ireland in 2024, and I will be sharing over 30 companies that are currently open and they have been announcing and outsourcing foreign and immigrants and foreign workers to move to the country and the amazing nation that is Ireland. Ireland has quite a lot of opportunities to offer when it comes to the scenic view of the architecture. Is just like what the UK offers. It is one of the best paying countries around Europe, and it offers one of the best systems in terms of education as well as transportation. If you're coming across my video for the first time, my name is Kendi, and share information matters relocation abroad, either to work, for study, or for conferences. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here. I really do appreciate you. I do not take you for granted. Please do remember to like, subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will recommend these amazing content that I'm sharing with you today to other kind of people who are looking for this kind of info, and you will also help me grow this community. Each and everything I talk about on my videos is always linked on the description box, so be always sure to check that out. You can move to the Republic of Ireland under 2 pathways. The first pathway is for you to move under the critical skill employment permit. What this means is you're going to move to the Republic of Ireland under the visa or the route that offers the critical employment permit that is in the different industries that have the shortage occupation. Most of these industries include, but are not limited to, IT, healthcare, financial services, and engineering. If you know you are under these pathways, you can get an employer in Ireland, and it is not a must for them to sponsor you to move. You can do the sponsorship on your own. So you do not need certificate of sponsorship to move under the critical employment permit to Ireland. However, need a job offer to be able to move in the industries that I have mentioned. There is a minimum salary threshold of around 26 to 29,000 euros, and as I said, you are allowed to sponsor yourself because it is not a must for you to have certificate of sponsorship or to be sponsored by your employer. The only thing you need to do is to have the skills or to be in the industries that I have mentioned and look for a job offer. The second route is the general employment permit. The general employment permit allows you to get a job in the different industries. Could be anything that is not under the critical employment permit. It could be hospitality, could be all the other industries that I have not mentioned, like agricultural, construction workers. The only problem is under this pathway, you at least need to get visa sponsorship. That is 1. And also 2, you must have a job offer. So those 2 are the best routes and the best ways for you to get to Ireland. You can go through the general employment permit or the critical skill employment permit. I know most of you are wondering, where can you get these jobs? Remember, always I am here to share with you companies that you can look for jobs. I am going to list them, not to leave links. I am going to list them on the description box so that at your own free time, you can go through each one by one on their websites and check what is available for them. So please remember, I am going to leave the list, not the links, because there are quite a number. As I said, I want to share around 30 companies so that you can go through each and every one of them. And I will also be stating at least what industries they are mostly always recruiting jobs in, so that it will be easier for you. So if you know you're in IT, if you know in hospitality, and if you know in healthcare, I'll be telling you which companies, which recruitment agencies you should be speaking out or should be looking for jobs. And also remember, I say that when you have the word agency or agents, do not worry. They are not supposed to ask you for money. Employers are the ones who are paying agencies for them to job hunt or to outsource you as a job seeker. So the first one is recruiters.ie. Was founded around 2006. It is headquartered in Dublin. Mostly specializes in HR, IT, technology or tech, marketing, and sales. So if you're in these industries, that is one of the agencies and companies you should be looking out for. Another one is readglobal.ie. Also, this one is headquarters in Dublin, specializes in business, legal, hospitality, and marketing. Another one is osborne.ie. Osborne.ie specializes in IT, business, customer service, and the best thing is they have been in the industry for over 20 years. That tells you they know what they are doing and they are always looking for workers, and their reviews are perfect. Those first three, I give them hands up. Their reviews are very, very good reviews. Another one is recruitment.com. They have over 5 branches around Ireland. They specialize in HR, legal, IT, accounting, and supply chain. Another one is Action Recruitment. They have been in the industry for over 45 years. They specialize in hospitality. So if you're looking for hotel jobs, waiters, chefs, those kind of jobs, look for this company. Another one is marialogan.com. marialogan.com specializes in also hospitality, catering, and hotel jobs. I have given you 2 companies already that are outsourcing for things or jobs around hospitality. The 7th one is Real Time Recruitment, specializes in jobs around the IT sector. Number 8, FRSrecruitment.com, specializes in jobs around healthcare, hospitality, and business. At number 9 is allenrec.com recruitment, specializes in pharma, finance, and IT. Another one you can look at is Approach People Recruitment. Number 11, Agri Recruit, definitely under agriculture. Shannon Recruitment at number 12. 13, EngageEducation.com, specializes in education. At number 14 is Kate Cowick International, mostly specializes in healthcare. For this one, I have covered it before and they have quite good reviews. We have WorkAwayRecruitment.com, ISM Recruitment. Number 17, we have Clark. Number 18, Real Time Recruitment. 19, we have Archer or Aka. Number 20, we have Word Personnel. They specialize in healthcare. Number 21, Access Healthcare. And the remaining 9 of them, I am going to paste them here so that you will be able to go through each and every one of them. Ireland is offering quite a lot of opportunities time and again. So if previously you have been looking for jobs like around healthcare and you wanted to move with your dependents and you have not been able to move because mostly if you are targeting UK and UK already the laws are quite changing, Ireland is a very good option for you to move right now. So rush to these companies, try to apply to as many as you can. Remember, I will leave the list to all the agencies down below so that you can do what is necessary. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos. Please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a like, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. You will really help me grow this community. Until next time, be safe, keep safe, and be blessed.